Once you log in, you'll land on the new chat screen. Please note, some features shown here may vary based on your setup. You can start right away by prompting, for example, write an email to Lydia asking for a meeting today at 4 p.m. And there's your response. There are many more features we'll explore as we go along. Let's take a quick tour at what's here. First, the attachment icon. Use it to upload data from multiple sources like documents, websites, or more. Just drop them in, and QAnswer instantly learns from it. Next, the image icon. Upload any picture and ask questions directly about it. Then comes web search, QAnswer's built-in browser that pulls fresh, reliable answers straight from the internet. There's also an agentic mode. When it's on, QAnswer automatically decides whether to use the pure LLM or tools like web search or AI assistants you created. You can even switch between different LLMs depending on your task. And finally, the voice input. Just speak your prompt. No typing and super handy. That's your new chat screen. In the next video, we'll dive into real-world examples.